What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. So my plan is in this series to upload like every single day until I get an internship and documenting like my journey. What I did yesterday, I'm gonna be telling you guys my programming, what I did. I do have some experience. I am a freshman in college taking CS degree. My experience is Java. I know the very basic. I'm doing it in school. Um, I know React from JavaScript. I know JavaScript, the basics, pretty well. And in React, I learned it, but I haven't applied it yet. And Python is my main language, so I know pretty well. Fast API, I practice a bit, just a little bit, the basics. And that's pretty much it. And I'm also gonna be doing like lead code every single day. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I did yesterday so we can start this journey. So before that, what I'm currently working on is what I'm planning to work on is just create this app where a student find a partner, and it's gonna be like full stack app where a student needs to he can go to the app and try to find a partner, like steady partner. um, and I haven't like done anything much besides just still planning it, but I realized that I need to learn like database, so I'm currently learning about my SQL. And once I finish that, hopefully in a like couple days, I'm gonna be ready to start the project. And lastly, my lead code. So I'm doing the blind 75 from Neat Code. Neat Code, he's a YouTuber. He did the blind 75, and I've been doing lead code for a while, but the problem is I haven't actually practiced. I just been just taking notes, which is good, but you still need to practice. So how much videos? I watched about like 23 videos, uh, and my plan is to watch one video and take notes and go back to the beginning when I did like the first video I watched and try to attempt to do it. That's what I did yesterday, and I'm gonna tell you which video, which lead code I did. So here we are. This is my doc. This as you can see, this is my 23rd video and note that I took. First of all, how I always like to do it is figure out what the pattern. Remember, I'm just taking notes. I didn't actually do this. So the pattern. This problem is the jump game. So first of all, let's see what it is. So basically, the jump game is where the goal is to reach the end, and the way to reach the end is by skipping, and it depends how you skip. Let's say in the first one, like we have two, right? We can skip one time, or we can skip one, two times, and it depends on this number. Eliminate, it says each element in the array represent your maximum jump link at that position. Determine if you're able to reach the last index. That's the plan, and that's what I learned from the YouTube video. So what it does is it uses greedy algorithm, which makes the base choice it can at each step without worrying about the future step. Here's the way to think about it. The way to think about it is just think of it as a goal, and you moving this goal to the front every single time, and until you reach this. The way you move it is like, let's say right here, let's focus on this. How do we move the arrow here to here? So the way is this can reach here. Is that correct? Because it's one, it can reach here, the goal, the end. Since it can reach here, why not move the goal here? Because if this number can reach here, that means we are reaching here, because this is reaching there. Anyways, that's what I did. Here's a code. I just copy it and I just took notes. So that's what I did for my daily video from Neat Code. Shout out to that guy. So the problem that I did, like practice problem I did, is this: best time to buy and sell stocks. By the way, guys, if you guys want to like practice it and before you come back to this video to see the solution, you guys can do that. So anyways, this I also use the greedy algorithm. So the problem is, let's find it here. But I by the way, I took this note like a long time ago. So, but I did do it like yesterday. Anyways, this is buy low, sell high. That's the whole main point. And we're trying to find where in this array can we do that. And the way we do it is we have 2 pointers on the left, on the right, and we're trying to like subtract those 2 pointers, and we're trying to see where we can get the maximum point from those 2 pointers. Here's the code. So see, the left is buy, the right sell, and we first of all need to see if the right is less than the length of the whole array, so we don't go out of it. And this is the solution. So this is what I did in terms of lead code today. And so I told you guys I'm learning also MySQL, right? So I already did like a bunch, like I already did some notes. I took some notes. So here's what I did. So first of all, it's like today, what I learned yesterday is about joins, and this is I don't know, right? Joins are easy. It just is from a YouTube video from Bro Code. So I learned about joint inner and left, right, which was pretty confusing, but you'll probably take me a long time for me to explain it. But it's basically just trying to like pick a data from 2 arrays. I mean, sorry, 2 tables. We're trying to like figure out like if we can get matching point, and if that's. And I also learned about functions. You know, functions are a small piece of code that does one job, which was pretty simple. Functions are simple. Just they're basically very simple in MySQL. And MySQL logic operators, I learned about them. They're pretty easy to. If you know programming, you'll pick up on this in seconds. It's like and, or, not, between, in, like, and I learned about wildcards. This is like pretty easy also. It's just this is a way you can just put a right here if you want to get all the names that are started with a and stuff like that. And that's basically what I did yesterday. I think I did pretty good, and hopefully tomorrow we can do good also. Yeah. So today the time is this is I'm recording this. This is what I did yesterday. So yesterday was November 18, 2025, and that's basically what I did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Day 1 is done. Till next time, have a blessed day. Peace.